Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay Sunday, November 30, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, November 30, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong November 30, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, November 30, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for November 30, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, November 30, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.